Here we have a challenge, model JO, tabletop drill, powered by 115 volts AC. The cart is not included in this. For any specifications and details about the machine, go ahead and check the listings on the website and auction page. Any questions about purchasing it, you can contact customer service for details. Again, this machine is powered off 115 volts AC. It's a single spindle drill, manually operated, single switch on and off. Demonstrated operating. You can see it's gone through and drilled. Does come with extra blocks as well.